Hey YouTube, it's Ava, and today I'm going to show you 4 ways to wear this Kate Spade backpack. Let's go! First, I'm going to show you how I wear it over the shoulder. I usually wear it shorter like this, so I can rest my hand. Next, I'm going to adjust the length to make it longer. There are so many settings on the strap, so it's suitable for the taller girls and shorter girls like me. And this is how it looks crossbody. And this is the interior. Next, I'm going to clip the strap from the top part to the bottom part, but on the other side, so it will look like a half backpack, and I would style it like this. And lastly, I would carry this backpack as a backpack with 2 straps on both sides. So it will look like this. Isn't it cute? I don't normally wear it like this, but I like the versatility that I can have the options to wear it when I want to wear it like this. So there's just that 4 simple ways that you can wear this backpack. Just a quick update after about more than 1 month using it. I started to see some issues with the glazing, but it's not that bad, and I don't see any damages on the hardware, just on the glazing. I will do a quick cutaways for that issue and show you what it is. Overall, I like the style of this bag, and I like to wear it on my casual days. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.